A lot of people cannot comprehend why Igbo people against all odds travel to the village every year for Christmas. Many have asked this question over and over again, especially non-Igbos. What is so special about spending the Christmas in the village? They wonder. A lot of people have tried to demonize this culture. They've done everything within their power, labeled Igbo people and Igbo land a lot of things just to make sure that this practice stop. But yet, it has continued. To non-Igbo people, no matter how hard you try to comprehend it, you cannot. Yes, it is Christmas, but it is more than Christmas. Every December, millions of people journey home, but nowhere is this movement more powerful, more emotional and more culturally significant than among the Igbo people of eastern Nigeria. It is a homecoming rooted in tradition, memory, identity and above all, community. This is Christmas in Igbo Land.
Merry Christmas.
For the Igbo, Christmas is not just a holiday. It is the single most important annual reunion, a cultural pilgrimage. It is the time when sons and daughters scattered across Nigeria and across the world return to the ancestral home. But why do Igbo people travel home often at a great cost, inconvenience and exhaustion? 3 reasons stands out. First, the family. In Igbo culture, the mother and father hold a sacred place. Christmas is the time to check on them, support them and reassure them that the lineage remains strong. Second is the community. The Igbo spirit thrives on belonging to one's kindred, one's village, one's roots. Christmas is the time when scattered members of each community returns, reunites, repairs relationship and strengthens family bonds. Third is the tradition. In Igbo land, Christmas is not only a Christian celebration, it is also a cultural festival intertwined with age-long customs. Our people travel home because it is what our ancestors did. Because home is not just where you sleep, it is where your spirit belongs. If you want to understand Christmas in Igbo land, start with the atmosphere. From early December, something shifts in the air. A mix of harmattan breeze, anticipation, and joy takes over the land. Market flows with buyers preparing for the festivities. New clothes for children, special ingredients for Christmas meals, gifts for elders and family members, and of course, the Christmas goats, chicken and cows.
So these are 700.
Check each one.
So they said this one is 700,000 naira.
The journey home can be stressful. Long hours on the road, high transport fares, congested roads, but the excitement of seeing home again keeps everyone moving. few feelings compared to arriving home for Christmas. The familiar smell of the earth, the laughter of relatives, the warm embrace from family members and parents, and the unspoken feeling of I belong here. In Igbo Land, Christmas morning begins with prayer and thanksgiving. Then the cooking starts, a feast for the entire family. Every family cook enough food to feed not just the family but visitors, because Christmas is all about sharing. The village becomes a hub of reunion, youth meetings, age-grade gatherings, school alumni meetings. These gatherings strengthens unity and help develop the community. This is when communities plan projects for the village, water, electricity, road, among others. Christmas brings everyone home, so it is the best time to meet. One of the most colorful parts of an Igbo Christmas is masquerades. They entertain, they educate, they preserve ancient stories. Our masquerades are not just for fun, they remind us of who we are. No Christmas is complete without visiting extended family members, friends, in-laws and mentors. This visit renews relationship and shows respect. December is the peak season for wedding in Igbo Land. Families abroad returns, youths are around and the village is full, making it a perfect time to celebrate milestones. Although rich in cultural color, Christmas in Igbo Land is deeply Christian. Churches overflow as families come together to worship and give thanks.
One, two, go! All right.
For many Igbo people, Christmas is emotional. It is a reminder of childhood memories, of running freely in the village, of eating fresh fruits, of playing under moonlight. Each time we return home for Christmas, we feel like children again. Christmas brings back everything we miss about home. Night in the village carries their own magic. Life slows down and the soul reconnects. Christmas in Igbo Land is more than celebration. It is a renewal of identity. Christmas provides a perfect platform for passing tradition to younger generation. Dance, language, storytelling, and respect for elders. The Christmas season injects life into local economy. Traders make their biggest sales during this season. Farmers sell their produce. Transport companies thrive. Entire community depends on the Christmas season. Christmas brings reconciliation. Old disputes are settled. Families resolve misunderstanding and community spirits are restored. We use this period to call everyone together. If there's any bad blood within the community or family, we settle it because peace is very important. Christmas strengthens faith. It reminds the Igbo people of the value of love, generosity, and gratitude. Life in the village during Christmas is simple, warm, and communal. Children play outside from morning till night. Women gather to prepare meals. Men exchange greetings and share palm wine. Everyone knows everyone. In the village, you don't feel alone. You feel like you are part of something, part of a people, part of a family, and part of a community. For many Igbo people living in cities or abroad, Christmas offers a break from the fast-paced lifestyle. No deadline, no alarms, just nature, family, and peace. As January approaches, the mood shifts once again. Goodbyes, tight hugs, and tearful smiles. The road once filled with people coming are now filled with people leaving. Each time they go, those left behind feel it, but they know they will come back next Christmas. is more than a date on the calendar. It is a bridge between the past and the present, between village and city, between tradition and modern life. It is a reminder that no matter how far the Igbo person travels, home is always calling. Merry Christmas from Igbo Land. Wishing you a memorable and blessed New Year ahead. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment. See you on our next video.